So today here we're at my cabinet wood shop, and we got this really nice Japanese fine cut saw that we're gonna test out. So I got a lot of high-end jobs that we do, and my customers want a really clean cut. So instead of doing it with the jigsaw, we like to do it by hand with this really accurate saw that is a Japanese. And so you can mark your piece to cut. What I like about this is also rust-free on the material. You can change the blade, unscrew it from here, snap it, take it out. That's a really nice handle, and we're gonna check it out for you guys.
This is about 9-inch blade. It's SK5, and this is durable, inducted, hardened. That means that it's been hardened in the blade area, especially, so it can last you for many years. It gets a perfect, precise cuts with this. It has a beautiful handle along with its own place to handle with your rest of your tools, hang your tools. Now, another great thing about it is 21 TPIs. This is to get the precise cuts. Blade is replaceable. Great for the job sites, great for any kind of wood cutting or any complicated cuts that you need to do. And precise, this is the blade to do.
So that we're on my shop, cabinet woodworking, and we're gonna mark a line where we wanna cut with the saw. So you guys can check it out, see how clean it cuts. As you see, it gives you a really clean cut.